I've made this link tree so it's easier for you guys to get into contact with me. If you want to find out more about the course, it's over on my Buy Me a Beer. If you want to simply get into contact with me, it's over on my crypto Twitter or my crypto Instagram. How's it going, everyone? Louis Crypto here, back with another crypto update. We do this every weekday. We're looking at Bitcoin today. As we zoom out, if you remember from yesterday's update, please do go check that out. It's very important. Make sure you, of course, support the channel by liking, subscribing, and commenting. But yeah, we were talking about 32 to 39k, or let's just say 40k. These are targets ever since making a high over the 25k high over here and breaking out of this inverse head and shoulders pattern that we see. Left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. The pattern's technical target is about 40,000 or just shy of 40,000. Please be aware that we do have some fundamental news events today. You know, maybe even already by the time I've posted this video and you're watching it, the pound interest rates are coming up. But yeah, we still do have some, I think, some dollar fundamentals later on today. But yeah, let's scale down to the daily, see what the daily candle was saying. Yeah, so it was crazy. As soon as we had the FOMC meeting, we had a little pump and then instant dump, invalidating it. So in yesterday's update, we were talking about the rising wedge that we had over here and how the technical target was about 24.5k back at this previous resistance. It would be our range high over here, flipping into support if the target out of the rising wedge is met again. So you're meant to come to the low of the rising wedge, which is back down to here. So, but between 24.5 and 25k full stop, that psychological level, there's a key area of support. Not only that, if we scale down to the 4-hour time frame, in yesterday's update we were talking about a potential scenario where we just come down to the key Fibonacci points over here, the 0.5 Fib, the 0.618 at 25.7 to 26.3k for a retest before continuation. So first of all, what we must say is these fundamental news events can of course change all of this, make it dump quicker, make it pump quicker. So we just need to mark out those levels. So the technical target would be back down here about 24.5k, where we have roughly the 200 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. So of course, to get this continuation higher, if we scale down to the 15-minute, in yesterday's update we were talking about this ascending triangle that we had broken out of. But the fundamental news event, if we close back underneath this, it invalidates this bullish pattern. So the target was this, but of course we didn't meet the target because of a fundamental news event that stopped us from holding above this neckline, which is allowing us to reach this target. As long as we are above this neckline of 28,400, we should go ahead and meet this target. If we lose this as support, this is no longer the target. So that's why when with the FOMC meeting, had a little pump at first, all the crypto started pumping a little bit, and then we of course eventually started heading back down. Is this just a retracement, or are we actually coming back up to here? We will find out with this next fundamental news event out in the next, well, at 12 GMT. So yeah, the video will probably be out by then. But yeah, there's a USD one. I'm just not sure what time that is. Go check it out. But not much more to say. I can go to the 4-hour again. We're just waiting to see where we're going to get these bounces from. At the moment, we've bounced off the 382, but it's not really saying much. All we're doing is running into the 20 EMA over here as resistance, we can see. So this is an area where we could be getting rejected simply because you lost the 20 and all you're doing is pumping back into it. It looks bullish, but we need to get back above it. At the moment we are still below, so this is why we could still be coming back down towards 25.7 to 26k. Again, the target out of the pattern is 24.5 to 25k psychological level. But yeah, let's see if we do catch support earlier in this golden pocket over here. I will now mark it out for you and make it gold, so we're aware. And that's pretty much it for today's update. We just need to see which support will hold, whether it's this one or the one below. And yeah, both of them need to hold for continuation up to 30,000. Again, if we scale out a little bit, let's go back to the daily time frame. We can see after this dump off from 25k back down to 19, this sets up the stage for a pump towards 30,000. Look, the 1618 target at 29.5k. So this will still be a target as long as we're above 22 to 23k. We should still come up to 32, 34, 36,000 as long as we're above 22k. So that's pretty much it from me today for today's Bitcoin update. If you want me to teach you this step by step, I do have a course and a mentorship plan. Again, the course is permanently 50% off now. So if you want to private message me over on my Twitter, Louis_crypto, or my Instagram, there's a link tree in the top right corner information button, or in the description down below. You can find all my links and private message me there. Thank you guys. There's a link tree in the comment section or the description down below, or even in the top right corner. You can just click it over here somewhere, and yeah, it can take you to my crypto Twitter, Instagram, where you can private message me. If you want to actually just take action on the course or the mentorship without talking to me, head over to my Buy Me a Beer. Now I'll bring up a page looking like this. You can even get one single mentorship session anyway, but all the details that you need here, you get 10 sessions, and here you get 30 plus videos, 6-hour course, and yeah, all the information you need is over here.